now it is very amazing. So that I'm telling you something, you know, we have small kids who are very cute. I mean, I think you can see better, you know, me explaining and you looking at them is of course very different scenario. So here we have, I think, 3 members. Name and introduce yourself.
So I am Kriti. When I younger, but you can call me Didi for short.
Okay.
So you can call me Didi if you want. Call me Didi. I love it a lot.
Okay, you want us to call you Didi?
Yeah.
Okay,
and
done.
There's a long story. So
Yeah.
my sister started to call me Didi, and
Okay.
some adults started to call me. Then I said I want to change my name to Didi. So
Okay,
then
I
my
will call
name
you Didi, okay?
came to life.
Yeah. So, ma'am, we also have ma'am with us. So, hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are
Yeah.
you, Jennifer?
I am great. How are you, ma'am?
Thank you.
Yeah, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, so I'm Shweta Runwal. I'm an architect by profession.
Okay.
And we have a product design brand called as Tickle Your Art, where we
Okay.
work with artists who are born with intellectual disabilities. We
Okay.
take their original artwork and we put them on lifestyle products to
Okay.
create awareness about self-expression and about acceptance.
Wow.
And I have my older daughter Dhriti and my younger daughter Ira, who both help me with it.
Okay, so these both are your daughters. Wow, that's great. You know.
And I am Ira, also the Giggle of Tickle Your Art. So I am Giggle, she is Tickle.
Okay, this you know.
She's made my mother.
Usually they say Kim तीन तिगाड़ा काम बिगाड़ा, but here it is उल्टा. तीन साथ मिलके इन्होंने power booster बनाया है. So yes, this is the energy, and yes, female power, of course. Feminism is saying, you know, the josh is high over here.
Oh yes.
And also we have 2 more people
Okay.
in our team who
Okay.
are not here.
Okay.
The Tumpuwala and Saya Didi, who is
Wow.
not here with us currently.
There are
Okay.
actually 2 more also.
Okay, you can
The
mention
CA and the
it.
CS.
Yeah, so we have a team.
and
We are
yes.
all women team.
Wow.
And of course, our head designer is Sneha. He is in US, so
Okay.
they're just talking about our entire team. We are a
Yeah,
very
got
mixed
it.
team.
Yeah.
We are a big team.
So could you please tell us more about the, you know, exhibitions over here in your stall?
So the exhibition over here was very nice. Like we've got so many things sold out already, and we think we've totally sold out by the end. So basically, we take art from these 9 artists,
Okay.
and then they put on products
Okay.
to spread awareness and provide financial support.
Okay.
Yeah, do you want to tell them about the cards, Ira?
Okay, so the artwork on this card is by Nanki. This
Okay.
is the sunflower deck of cards. So sunflower is also a symbol of invisible disability. So these are like normal playing cards, but they have sign language inside. So while playing, you can learn sign language.
That's interesting now,
Oh.
just like you guys.
Thank you.
Which among these are your
Hi.
favorite products, guys?
There's the bubble book.
This is a bubble book
Okay.
where there is a story written inside. At the first page, you can color whatever you want.
Okay.
Your own sort of colors. Look, it's black and white if you leave it also.
Okay, that's interesting.
The artwork on the bubble book is by Dhriti. It's a self-portrait. It's a story
Oh.
of a girl who's born with Down syndrome and how she's spreading joy and talking about feelings through color. And we use bubble to burst the myth around
Whoa.
intellectual disability. So we use
That's
bubble
very
on social
meaningful.
media a lot.
Yeah. So this is the actual, you know, example of creating awareness with, you know, fun elements in it.
Oh,
You know,
yes.
people will, you know, easily understand what it is.
Yes.
So overall, if anybody is interested in buying such items, where are they supposed to, you know, contact you or know about your details?
On our website www.takearout.com, and also, what is the day tomorrow?
Oh, tomorrow is our 5th anniversary.
Tomorrow is our 5th anniversary.
Wow,
What's the date?
congratulations.
It's 12, so we complete 5 years
So-
tomorrow.
So today is what date?
11.
So on 12th every year on October is a Downham Awareness Month.
Okay.
We are creating fires of Tickle tomorrow.
Okay.
It's a big achievement for us to give a fire of doing this. nothing.
Congratulations on your 5th year. You know, it's a very long time, and wish you many more success. You know, in 5 years, if you have reached here, I really wish in many more years you reach to the highest, to the skies, and there were no limits, of course.
Thank you.
When
Thanks
you
a
have
lot.
hard work and spirit, there are no limits. So
Yes,
thank you
yes,
so much.
thank you.
It was really nice talking to you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we always
Thank you.
end with one thing. Do you want to do that, girls?
Have you been together?
Wow. That's the type of energy we actually want, though. Thank you so
She's
much.
tickling
Thank
you.
you. Same to you.